Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view your screen time that you've spent on your iPhone, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view your screen time that you've spent on your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your settings, I want you to scroll down until you see this screen time option right here. Once you've found it, just go and open it. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see your iPhone screen time right here. And also, if you want to view your screen time more in detail such as the apps you've used and how many hours you've used it, you can do that by tapping this option right here. And after that, there it is guys, you will now be able to see how many hours you've spent on specific apps on your phone. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.